Hello guys, this is Hamoudi from Bilu Media. Welcome to my channel again. Today we are looking at these guys. These are the MEPS 1804 2450 kV. So they are 6S motors, and we are building this beauty. This is the Comanche top frames Comanche frame, and it's a 3-inch freestyle frame, and I am really excited about this beauty. Look at this, guys. It's really small and it has some cool features that we will talk in the build itself. But today let's go ahead and talk about the MEPS motors. Let me open one and show you what we have inside. So here we have the motor itself, and we have some screws for the mount itself and some screws for the propellers, and I think we have two spare screws. And here we have some I don't know how you call these, washers, I think washers for the motor itself, for the interior, for here, which is cool. And here is the motor itself. I really like how this motors looks. I know I say this all the time in my videos, but I really like this stuff. It's really amazing. Look at this. It's fantastic color. It has a silver and some shiny here on top red. You can find it only in this color for now, but maybe MEPS will change it. I think it looks very good, and it is made from one piece. So this part is one piece, which makes it better for endurance. And yeah, you have this cable, which is not very long, but it's enough for the 3-inch build that we are having. So you can find it in this kV. This is the 2450 kV, which is 6S configuration, and the 4S, that is 3500 kV. But in our case we are using this for 6S setup, for a really powerful setup. And of course you can use it with a 4S battery, I guess, for a little bit more cinematic and not so aggressive flight. But we will use it with this beauty for a 6S for all in, and I'm really excited about this. Let's go ahead and measure the weight of this beauty. So it's around 15 grams with the wires, but we will cut a little bit wire, so it's maybe 1 gram lighter, which is really great. And we are using those with the MEPS props. These are the SZ 3046, which are 3-inch props. Let's go ahead and mount these motors on the frame and show you how they are connected. Something like this, so it is well organized now. Perfect, guys. I'm very happy how it turned on. I mean, everything is well organized, and yeah, it looks very cool. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.